Today, I'm going to create this animation in Canva. Go to Canva. Click to Video. Select the landscape video. First, change the background color. Write the product name and details. Make it duplicate and replace it with the other product details. Select all and make it a group. Now import all the images you want to create animation with. I'm using sample images from the elements. Now, select all and create the group. Click on the plus icon to add a blank page. Add text and write the menus like a website. Use the Montserrat font. Now add your company logo. I'm using a demo logo. Adjust all the elements' sizes and position. Add a circle frame. Go to the previous page and import the product details to this page by copy-pasting. Adjust the size and position. Now copy and paste the product images. Adjust the size and position. Add a square shape. Change the shape position to backwards. Now change the product image position under the shape. Again, add a shape. Change the position to the backward. Now, change the product details text position under the shape. Duplicate the shape. Change the position to backward. Now change the text position under the shape. Change the background color to the product focus color. Change the shape color as well. Add an image like the product flavor. Now click here to duplicate the page. Add the rulers for better accuracy of the products and text alignment. Change the background color. Now, drag the product image and place the second product. Change the shape's color as well. Change the flavor-focused image as it is the strawberry flavor. Drag the text and place the second product details. Again, duplicate the page and do the same thing for the rest of the products. Now delete the first page. Now add the transition. Select the match and move transition. Duration will be 1 second. Apply between all pages. Change the page timing to 3 seconds and apply it to all pages. Here is the final result. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thank you.